Are you in search of a skincare routine that truly cares for your skin? You're not alone. Each day, countless individuals strive to find that perfect blend of products designed specifically for their skin type. The journey towards radiant skin begins with understanding the unique needs of your skin and finding products that meet those needs. It's a journey of trial and error, but with patience and dedication, you will find what works. Stick around, and we'll take a journey to discover what works best for your skin. First things first, understanding your skin type is the key to effective skincare. It's like knowing the soil type before you plant a garden. It's the foundation to a flourishing bloom. So, what are the different skin types? Let's delve right into it. We've got 5 main types: oily, dry, combination, sensitive, and normal. Oily skin is exactly what it sounds like. Skin that produces excess oil. This can leave your skin looking shiny or greasy. A silver lining? Oily skin often ages slower as the oil helps retain moisture, keeping the skin plump and youthful. Dry skin, on the other hand, is characterized by a lack of moisture, resulting in a dull and rough complexion. This lack of moisture can lead to visible lines and wrinkles, so hydration is key for dry skin types. Combination skin is a mix of both oily and dry skin. Typically, you'll find oiliness in the T-zone, that's the forehead, nose, and chin, while the cheeks remain dry. Sensitive skin is skin that is more prone to inflammation or adverse reactions. If your skin often feels itchy, burns, or breaks out in a rash after using skincare or makeup products, you likely have sensitive skin. Lastly, normal skin. It's neither too oily nor too dry, and it doesn't react negatively to common skincare products. If you have normal skin, consider yourself lucky. Now, weather conditions can throw a wrench in our understanding of our skin type. For instance, you might find your skin becoming excessively dry in winter or unusually oily in summer. This doesn't necessarily mean your skin type has changed. It's simply your skin reacting to the environmental conditions. In conclusion, understanding your skin type is akin to unlocking a secret code. It's your first step towards creating a skincare routine that truly works for you. Now that you have a clear understanding of your skin type, let's move to the next step. Now, on to the exciting part: exploring skincare routines. A skincare routine is like your very own personal wellness ritual, a time to nourish not just your skin, but also your soul. So let's break it down. First up is cleansing. Think of it as the foundation of your skincare routine. It's all about removing the dirt, oil, and impurities from your skin. A good cleanser leaves your skin feeling clean, but not stripped or tight. It's like a reset button for your face, preparing it for the next steps. Next, we have toning. This step is often overlooked, but it's a game changer. Toners balance your skin's pH levels and can help other products penetrate deeper into your skin. Imagine it as a primer for the rest of your skincare routine, setting the stage for maximum effectiveness. Then, we moisturize. Moisturizing is like giving your skin a big drink of water. It helps to lock in hydration, keeping your skin plump and glowing. And don't think that if you have oily skin, you can skip this step. All skin types need moisture to stay healthy and balanced. Exfoliating is up next. This is your secret weapon for smooth, radiant skin. By removing dead skin cells, exfoliation allows your skin to absorb products better and stimulates cell renewal. But remember, moderation is key. Once or twice a week is usually enough. Lastly, we have SPF, the unsung hero of skincare. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing premature aging and reducing the risk of skin cancer. It's the ultimate form of self-care, and it's essential every single day, rain or shine. So there you have it, the basics of a skincare routine. But remember, skincare is not one size fits all. It's about finding what works for you and your unique skin. And most importantly, it's about consistency. Each step in your routine is a pledge to your skin, a promise to care for it and nurture it. Remember, consistency is key. A skincare routine is a commitment to your skin's health. Choosing the right products can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. The key is understanding your own skin type and what it truly needs. Let's start by talking about skin types. We all fall into one of 5 categories: oily, dry, combination, normal, or sensitive. Oily skin tends to have larger pores and a glossy shine, while dry skin might feel tight or flaky. Combination skin is exactly what it sounds like, a combo of dry and oily, and normal skin is well balanced, not too dry or too oily. Finally, sensitive skin may react to certain ingredients with redness, itching, or irritation. Once you've identified your skin type, you can start to look for products that are formulated to address your specific needs. For example, if you have oily skin, You might want to look for oil-free or non-comedogenic products that won't clog your pores. If you have dry skin, on the other hand, look for products that contain hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. Now, speaking of ingredients, it's crucial to know what's in your skincare products. Ingredients are listed in order of concentration, with the highest amounts listed first. This is why water, or aqua, is often the first ingredient you'll see. However, it's not just about the order. Some ingredients might not work well for certain skin types. For instance, retinol can be too harsh for sensitive skin, while benzoyl peroxide might be a lifesaver for acne-prone skin. So don't shy away from those ingredient lists. They're your roadmap to understanding what you're putting on your skin. Choosing the right products also involves a bit of trial and error. You might need to test out a few different products before you find what works best for you. It's important to give each product enough time to work before deciding whether or not it's effective. That's usually around 6 to 8 weeks. If you notice any immediate redness, irritation, or breakouts, stop using the product and consult with a dermatologist if necessary. Remember, skincare is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding what works for your unique skin and sticking with it. It's about patience, consistency, and self-care. Remember, what works for others may not work for you. Listen to your skin. Even with the best intentions, we can make mistakes in our skincare routines. One common pitfall is over-exfoliating. It's tempting to scrub away at our skin in the hopes of achieving a flawless complexion, but this can actually do more harm than good. Exfoliating too often or too vigorously can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness, irritation, and even breakouts. So remember, moderation is key. Aim to exfoliate no more than twice a week, and always be gentle with your skin. Another common mistake is skipping out on sunscreen. The sun's UV rays are one of the biggest culprits behind premature aging and skin damage. Even on cloudy days, they can still reach your skin. So make sunscreen a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, regardless of the weather. Look for a broad-spectrum formula that protects against both UVA and UVB rays, and apply it generously to all exposed skin. Lastly, let's talk about product overload. It's easy to get caught up in the latest skincare trends and find yourself with a bathroom cabinet overflowing with products. But using too many products at once can overwhelm your skin and lead to irritation or sensitivity. It's better to stick to a few key products that really work for your skin type and introduce new ones gradually. Avoid these mistakes and you're well on your way to healthier skin. So there you have it, a guide to exploring skincare and finding the right products. We've journeyed through understanding our skin type, selecting the right skincare routine, and choosing products that truly resonate with our skin's needs. We've also looked at common mistakes to avoid in skincare, because a misstep in skincare can sometimes set us back on our journey to healthier, happier skin. Remember, knowledge is your best tool in this journey. By understanding your skin type, you're already a step ahead in selecting the right products and routines. The world of skincare can be overwhelming, but once you've found what works for you, the results can be truly transformative. Starting a new skincare routine is like embarking on a new adventure. It's exciting, full of potential, and it's all about you. Listen to your skin, adjust your routine as needed, and don't be afraid to try new things. The journey to healthier, happier skin is a personal one, and it's all about finding what works best for your unique skin type. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every small step you take towards understanding and caring for your skin is a step towards a healthier, happier you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and advice. Remember, your skin is unique, and so is your journey to healthier, happier skin.